Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Pass question 29. All are disease-causing organisms except dash A. Fungi, B. Bacteria, C. Virus, and D. Ants. So let's pick an option which is not classified as one of the disease-causing organisms. Now I want you to understand that disease-causing organism has a general term for them. They are called pathogens. We call them pathogens. So pathogens are the disease causing organisms. That is, this diseases causes organism these organisms causes diseases to both plants and animals. And examples, they include the virus that causes viral diseases. We have the bacteria that causes bacterial diseases. We have the fungi that causes what fungal diseases. We have the nematodes. These ones are worms also that causes diseases in both plants and animals. So these are the basic what pathogens, disease causing organisms. Now the question says all are disease causing organisms except, that is, we have to pick an option which is not among the disease causing organisms, that is not classified as a pathogen. And from our options here, option D, ants, is not part of these options. Like you see, fungi is here, bacteria is here, and virus is here. So option D is not a disease causing organism, meaning option D is not a pathogen. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.